Hi guys, welcome to this Shaka channel, guys. So guys, everyone using LinkedIn. So how we can using LinkedIn future? So how we can activate featured post option? So if you are opening LinkedIn account, so everyone using LinkedIn, your activity profile. That is called we discuss about the featured option. This featured, nothing but what are the concept you design and articles that all will be posting will be featured option that will build your connections. Suppose you're asking something, you're writing some concept blogs, or you're writing a kind of important questions. These all will be sharing will be in this option by YouTube link or website link or your blog links. Basically, you can find something links, you can write your own concept. Don't copy other content to post on the future. You can give credit to the other one. If you are your own content, you will be post on this option. Suppose I have to influencer and YouTuber in the particular channel. So I will share the one content, get share link, select this option, post option, article, link, and media. These four options are visible by future. In this, I have to promoting link. When you're promoting link time in YouTube, no need to add your title description. Automatically selecting for title and description also. You click for save. This future post to visible anyone connection on your LinkedIn profile, they can see your profile also. The most of the people are visible this featured post option. This will be showing article, links, media, and your postings. But most of the people is posting for link purpose. So link does not accepting your poster option in LinkedIn profile. Accept, but automatically showing title description we can't visible. The future post when link will be accept on your website, automatically will show on the your particular post option. So how many day we can post the links? Don't post more links. Less link and your original links we can post by in this option. So that is the things. Somebody copy content, don't post your LinkedIn. Your credential purpose, this option will be used on your particular things. Sometime we'll be getting this option will be in your particular LinkedIn. This time we can't do anything, just leave it by your particular things. And in your particular blogs, so what are the content you can post here? Copy. Some link not accepting time, no need to worry. Just which is link will be accepted, you can post it on your particular things. Click for save. So here unable to post here right now. What is called your limit will be reached. Maybe something error will be occurred. We can't post your option. So that time we can select option will be here. Select media. So what are the media you can select? And post option here you can selecting these things and what are the content you can sharing here properly using for title and description and exceed limit by 13 characters. So yeah, so yeah, so maybe exceed the links. So something image will be missing here. No need to worry. Just we have to refresh your option. Sometime we'll be facing this problem. That is, you can go to simple option. Here will be select image. Here select your option. Now you can post you will be in this particular thing. Just you can done by your particular option. The future is not working, you can post will be here also. And you can upload the video also, we can suitable in this option. So what are the video we can upload it? Select here. Done. Select here and post it. If it's not working, we can post will be date will be here. Most of the links purpose we can use in future. Sometime will be take some time to activate the future post option. No need to worry, we can post the by using your profile also will be visible by the users. That will be future post will be compulsory replace. Links purpose we can use the future post. So your exit links will be done. They can't accept your links. No need to worry by accepting for your future post link purpose. I'll show one more link here. So you're done by all options. You can check will be here. So based on your post option, you can utilize the future post on the particular LinkedIn. So this is the method we can use particular LinkedIn to increase your profile connection purpose. This feature will accept post, article, links, and media. Now click edit. So what are the things you will be here? Everything will be in your particular option. So this edit and delete. So anything will be possible. What are the done your post that will be remove also will be successfully become visible on your particular option. So this method will be option name is called future on your particular LinkedIn option. If any further doubts, you can ask me the Digital Rakesh channel and comment me any particular question about LinkedIn. I definitely support social media and SEO and any particular ads purpose. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.